Today we are see a set of lighting controls from SONOFF. Firstly, we will start from the light bulbs, the smart light bulbs, that they will come in two models with LED bulb and also a smart RGB LED bulb. In the LED bulb you can just set the warm and cold colors, and it is 9 watt usage. It is equal to 60 watt in traditional lamps or tungsten lamps, and you can have the dimming function. But in the RGB model you can use the application to control the light of the panel in different colors, and also you can have the warm and cold colors, and you can see the energy facts on the devices, and also the main features on the back of the device. So it is very easy to add to the application. You can use still the Bluetooth pairing, and also it can be integrated to the Google Assistant and Alexa. The model with the warm and cold colors is A60 or B02, and the model with the RGB control is the B05 or A19. Let's see inside the box. It is very easy, a light bulb that you can find many similar devices in the market, but it's can be integrated into the evening application, and you can use it together with other SONOFF brand devices. And if you see the data sheet, it is easy to install, and just install the device on the power, and then you can add it to the evening application by Bluetooth pairing. You can see when it will be turned on. For the pairing, it will be blinking each 1 second, and then you can add it into the evening application. And you can use this device for participating in different scenarios. You can use it for the voice control, for the remote control through the application, or for timer control, and also you can share it to other users of the application, and then they can have control the device from anywhere they want. And the other model is the same, and you can use it for lighting control, and that's interesting that you can choose the color based on your mood inside the home. And the other model is the RGB IC or the pixel LED strip that we will have a review in another video. Thanks for watching us.